In this morning's Family First Report, experts say getting vaccinations is so important for both infants and children, especially when it comes to whooping cough. Whooping cough is a contagious bacterial disease that affects the respiratory tract. It causes a low-grade fever, cough, and respiratory symptoms, and may look like a cold or persistent cough in adults, but it can be fatal in infants. Best way to reduce the number of whooping cough cases is to make sure that babies and those who care for them are immunized.
And no different than we did during influenza season, making sure that people that are sick take appropriate precautions, wash their hands well, cover their coughs and sneezes. Those sort of things are always very important.
Nurse Smith says they haven't seen any whooping cough cases recently, but last month in Rock County, one case of whooping cough was confirmed in a middle school student in Edgerton. And in California, there was recently an outbreak of whooping cough. To learn more about this disease, please head to our web channel, NBC15.com, and then click on news links. We then have a link to the CDC's webpage on whooping cough.